Hey guys, welcome back to Real Estate Informed, the channel that keeps you up to date on all things real estate. My name is Kevin, and today I want to talk about the real estate, what effects the Biden's decisions can have on real estate. And just a real quick video about the Federal Reserve, you know, the people who control the interest rates and everything else in the economy. Their head, Jerome Powell, his job is basically, well, I mean, everything's political, but you know, his job is basically, you know, up for the offering. And so Biden is interviewing different people for his job. So they said later this week, today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, we'll know who they interviewed and what you know, what their decision is by the end of the week. That's what the what is it? The president's office said that they'll have a decision by the end of this week. The reason that's important is Jerome Powell is very, as they politically say, dovish on the market, which means he wants to keep interest rates low, he wants to taper and whatnot. So that's what's keeping real estate high, is the interest rates low. If they hire somebody else and they come in and they just want to start jacking up interest rates because they're worried about inflation and other factors, then that will literally crash the real estate market. If they're not talking about tapering, they're talking about like, we're at 3%, we need to get to 5% interest rate. We need to stop buying these bonds, we need to do this, this, and this. They might have a completely different idea of what they need to do. So with that being said, it is a very important decision this week, Friday, that's coming. That are we sticking with J. Powell? Are we sticking with Jerome Powell, or is Biden going to elect somebody else? Very important to real estate because it depends on the interest rate. So whoever the head of the Federal Reserve is going to affect real estate and plus the economy. But this channel is about real estate. So yeah, if the interest rate, if someone else gets hired and they feel like they need to jack up interest rates and control this, and control inflation and do whatnot, then that's what they'll do. So it's a very important decision. So you real estate investors out there, people looking to buy a home, keep an eye out for that, because with every interest rate, now I've said this multiple times in a lot of videos, every percent of interest, if it goes from 3% to 4% interest rates, you lose 10% of house values, especially in the Seattle area, but it's pretty generally known that that's what happens. So yeah, that's the video for today. Look out for that. If he does make a change, doesn't make a change, I'll probably make a follow-up video. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs it up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, thanks. Bye.